Okay, we're going to use this screwdriver to hold the pulley still. We're going to try to take this spindle off. So, put this on here, see if we can break the torque. There we go. That actually wasn't too bad. Everything's been on here factory tight. It's a relatively new machine. It's been through a lot. Okay. Sometimes these things will snap off if they're really rusted and corroded. These aren't that bad. Easy. This spindle right here, all these teeth are eaten off of here. If you can see them, they're not like they're supposed to look like these teeth right here. But when you turn this thing around, you see that they're all worn off right there. See the difference between the good teeth and the bad teeth. All right, and what it does is, this is the blade. All right, and it's, hold on, that's the blade. It's worn down. You can see these teeth right here are worn down, so the blade's no good, and the spindle is no good either. So we're gonna have to replace the spindle also. Some new screws, and we're gonna put these things on here. D-170.